In this tutorial I will show you how to schedule your Instagram posts. If you want to schedule your Instagram posts, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you're on the post page. Scroll through your photos and select the one you want to post. Once you've chosen the photo, look at the top right corner and tap on Next. On the next screen, you can click on the text icon at the bottom if you want to add music or other options to your post. Once you're ready, tap on Next again. Now, type your captions and add any hashtags you'd like to include. Next, tap on More Options under the Sharing Preferences section. You'll see a toggle next to Schedule this post. Turn it on. A pop-up will appear asking you to continue scheduling. Tap on Continue, and you'll see a menu where you can choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Scroll through the time roller to select your preferred date and time. Once you're happy with your choice, tap Done. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap on Share. Your post will be scheduled for the time you selected, and a confirmation message will appear. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your Instagram post.